The Ayaneo Slide, now available for pre-order on Indiegogo, represents the cutting edge of handheld gaming technology. As the popularity of handheld gaming consoles continues to soar, Ayaneo has seized the opportunity to deliver a unique gaming experience that combines versatility, power, and style. The most striking feature of the Ayaneo Slide is its slider appearance, which perfectly complements its name. This appearance allows users to effortlessly switch between a physical keyboard and touchscreen controls, catering to a wide range of gaming preferences. Additionally, the device offers the flexibility to adjust the screen angle, ensuring that gamers can find their ideal viewing position, whether they're on the go or relaxing at home. Under the hood, the Ayaneo Slide boasts the formidable AMD Ryzen 7840U processor. This flagship processor, typically found in high-end laptops, offers a formidable combination of 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base clock of 3.3 GHz that can boost up to an impressive 5.1 GHz on a single core. With 16 MB of L3 cache, it's engineered for demanding gaming experiences. Furthermore, the Ayaneo Slide features the Radeon 780M, an integrated RDNA 3 graphics card with 12 compute units, and a boost clock of 2.7 GHz. This GPU delivers stunning visuals, ensuring that you can enjoy your favorite games in all their glory. Maintaining high performance in a compact device like this requires efficient cooling, and Ayaneo has addressed this with a custom-made heat dissipation system. This advanced cooling solution ensures that the Ayaneo Slide remains cool even during the most intense gaming sessions, preventing thermal throttling and maximizing performance. The Ayaneo Slide features a 6-inch IPS high-brightness wide color gamut display, promising vibrant visuals with sharp detail. Whether you're exploring open-world landscapes or battling foes in fast-paced shooters, this display elevates your gaming experience to new heights. The Ayaneo Hypersound stereo dual speakers complement the visuals with exceptional audio quality, immersing you in the world of your game. While the Ayaneo Slide promises to be a game-changer in the world of handheld gaming, one critical detail remains uncertain for potential customers: its price. At this moment, the exact pricing for this cutting-edge gaming device has not been revealed. This uncertainty can make it challenging for eager gamers to plan their purchase or budget accordingly. However, there's good news for those who are eager to get their hands on the Ayaneo Slide. Ayaneo has set up an Indiegogo page where you can stay updated on all the latest developments and be among the first to know when the product's pricing is finally disclosed. But the Ayaneo Slide's impressive features don't stop there. With a host of connectivity options, a long-lasting battery, and a robust ecosystem of gaming titles, it's poised to become a game-changer in the world of handheld gaming. As it hits the market, gamers are eagerly anticipating the future of handheld gaming with the Ayaneo Slide, and it's already generating a significant buzz in the gaming community. With its innovative appearance, powerful hardware, and thoughtful features, it's clear that Ayaneo has set a new standard for handheld gaming PCs. I'm very interested in this game console, and I want to test it when it goes on sale, so if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Have a good day everyone and God bless you.